maduming hangin sa dapa. Ayun. So itong iodine represents yung mga chemicals and toxins na ating nakukuha through air and water. And sa food especially So, and then we'll have our pwede po makinig. Meron po tayong
May isa pang sashay tayo.
Saan mo na?
So ito pong Rosenta is very potent and very high yung efficacy So it would definitely clear yung
So lalagyan ng isang sachet.
Actually, kahit half po pwede.
Wow!
Wow!
So condense ka na.
Magic siya.
So this is an illustration ng function o ginagawa ng ating Dynaze Rosenta sa ating katawan.
Yes.
So it will make you younger, you will feel younger, you will feel stronger. Yung may sakit na-address na rin na nurse o nakakagaling.